Hi, this is Karen from FabGrandma.com, and I'm here in my bathroom to tell you about Charmin Ultra Soft and Charmin Ultra Strong toilet papers. Charmin has partnered with Roto-Rooter again this year to tell you about their clog-free and septic-safe guarantee that only comes with Charmin toilet paper. The plumbers from Roto-Rooter recommend Charmin more than any other toilet paper brand, and I didn't know that. Did you? And did you also know that if you use Charmin toilet paper and you have a clog and have to have your septic tank cleaned or have Roto-Rooter come out, that you can get your money back from Charmin? I think that's a pretty dang good guarantee, don't you?